Hello, Mr. Shokouhi. How's going with your adrenal problem?
Right. Well, doctor, I've been fine, but it's so difficult to keep taking the medicine every day. So, and I was, I belonged to a basketball team, and I was a very good player. I was probably the best, and I haven't been able to go back to play. So, yeah, just. Mm, yeah, I feel a lot better, I should say.
Well, I'm glad that here you are feeling better.
Thank
Uh,
you.
are you taking your medication regularly?
Yes, every day. I'm very careful with taking
Mm,
them.
that's good. And how about your lifestyle? Uh,
Mm,
do you exercise?
not very much because I mean, I was told I shouldn't exercise, so just some stretching really.
And what about the stress? Are you managing your stress?
Oh yes, absolutely. I mean, the source of stress was my parents, and since I moved out and I'm now living in my own flat, so I'm feeling much better.
Okay. And what's you said that you don't like taking medication. What's the problem with them?
Nothing really. It's just the idea of taking them all the time. So I'm better now. So I thought maybe I should just stop them because I'm feeling absolutely fine.
Uh-huh. I can understand that it might be difficult to take medication every day, but the reason that you are feeling better is these medications, your
Right.
tablets. Uh, okay.
So you mean if I stop them, then I get ill again?
Exactly, because this medication actually they are replacing some substance that is produced in your adrenal gland, and you need to take them for lifelong.
Oh, I see.
Uh-huh.
Oh,
And, mhm.
so uh, now that I'm feeling better, I think I want to go back to playing basketball. Next week the new season starts, so I was thinking of going back to play again. So what's your opinion?
I see. Regarding your exercise, you cannot start that kind of strenuous exercise at this time. Okay, but
Okay, but you mean what do you mean by strenuous? Is playing basketball too much, you think?
for your condition, stress, and it would worsen your condition.
Mm.
All right?
Okay. So what if I stop my medicine, doctor? Then can I play?
It may cause a drop in your blood pressure and even may lead to hospitalization again.
Oh,
That's the reason that I'm emphasizing that you need to take the medication.
mm,
And regarding the exercise, you can start slowly and then increase the intensity of your exercise gradually. What do you
okay.
think about that?
Uh, okay, but so you mean I should probably not play a full game, and I should play very little and then build
Mhm.
up on that.
Uh, right.
Okay, okay. I think I can do that.
Uh-huh. And is there anything else that you'd like to ask?
No, thank you, doctor. Thank you.
Okay.
All right. Right. So it is adrenal. Okay, Addison's disease. So how was that?
خوب بود.
Okay, good. What a score out of 10?
8.
Nasht. Okay. Okay. خب چرا 10 نه؟ بس ببینیم اینا همه اینا خوب بود. Structure,
استراکچر خوب بود. راپور خوب بود.
information gathering,
نداریم.
exploring ice. گفتین چرا میخوای قطع کنی؟ دیگه استرس داری نداری؟ اوکی. said دیگه چی؟ میخوام برگردم بسکتبال بازی کنم. کیو داشتیم یا نداشتیم اینجا؟
پیو آره چون همون گیمش داشت شروع میشد.
بعدم اینکه دارو نخورم، یعنی تو یه سری شما باید توضیح دادی، گفتی که باید بخوری اینو، بعد دوباره بعد از بسکتبال میگه که حالا پس میشه پس دارو رو قطع کنم. What does that mean؟
یعنی که هنوز راضی نشده.
یا اینکه فکر میکنه که شاید این دارو باعث میشه که نتونه بسکتبال بازی کنه. ها.
آها.
اوکی. Good. Information giving خیلی چانک اند چک خوب بود این دفعه. Good. خب چی بود پس اون دو نمره چی از چی کم شد؟
دیگه آخه 10 که پرفکته دیگه. پرفکت نبود. خب
چرا نبود؟ مگه مشکلی بود؟ زمان که کم نیاوردین، همه اون تسکای اینجا رو هم که انجام دادین ها؟ مگه انجام ندادین؟
بله.
اوکی. پس چرا 10 نشد؟
نه.
نه میشد دیگه.
خیلی
مشکلی نبود که.